Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave and I are going to give you a nice video of a freshly completed unit. It's a 2005 International 7400 model, big old DT466, and an Allison 3000 series automatic transmission with a full remote controlled operated hoist and grain gate system. Folks, I'm telling you, we've got a special treat for you, so come along for the ride. Dave's going to pop the hood. We're going to give you a nice look underneath at the engine and the blow-by. So let's follow Dave up here. He's going to pull the dipstick for us, and we're going to let you check out the blow-by and show you the engine oil as well. Look at that clean oil, folks. I can see right through it onto the stick. I'm telling you, as you can see there is very, very little blow-by in the thing. Let's go ahead and pull the fill cap, and you can see there, absolutely no blow-by coming out. Now, folks, let's go ahead and continue the video. We're going to start right here on the driver's side steer tire. Dave's going to shut the engine off for a moment so that we can hear better in the video. Okay, folks, let's come at this again in a more quiet mode. We're looking at big, heavy-duty 315 ADR 22.5 Goodyear steer tires in about 70% tread. Come on down here, look at this nice, clean undercarriage, folks. Absolutely no evidence of leaking. We have a nice, heavy-duty 16,000-pound front steer axle. And how about this nice, clean engine, folks? Just check it out. No evidence of any corrosion or rust. It's a very nice, like-new truck. Look at that shiny chrome bumper. Now, you can see we have an absolute duplication of that on this side as well. Nice matching tread. Evidence of brand new oil and filters. Totally serviced, folks. Where you gonna go to find it? Take a look, man. I'm telling you, nice, clean motor. Very nice and clean all the way around. Let's come on back. Dave's gonna flop the hood down for us now so we can get you a nice overview all around the truck, and then we're actually going to go ahead and start it, and we will show you the operation of the hoist and the remotes in a little bit as we go down the video here. Take a look, folks. Nice clean cab, all the chrome on it, nice spotlights, even a nice strobe light on top. Look at the nice clean fuel tank. And folks, now let's talk about our stainless steel grain body. Where are you going to go to find it? Manufactured right here at our plant out of 409 stainless sheet metal with our time-tested stamped rib design, folks. All solid welded construction, no overlapping of metal. Folks, this is a lifetime purchase. You're never going to replace this sucker. Now take a look underneath here, folks. I-beam long seals. Look at these brand new recap drive tires. Take a look at the wheel ends back here. Take a look at the nice heavy-duty 40,000-pound Hendrickson walking beam suspension. Folks, let's come on to the back of the truck. Dave is actually going to demonstrate the Sherlock roll tarp system that we have on here, and while he's getting that accomplished, we're going to go ahead and let you focus on the back doors. Now, as I was telling you earlier, we have wireless remote controlled end gate. Here is the device. There's the antenna. I'm telling you, one nice smooth operation. Now, how about this tarp? Just look at that roll open. Flawlessly, easy operation. You can leave it hang open independently. That's good, Dave. You can just leave it there. We'll close her back up in a minute. What we're going to do now is open the back center door and get you a nice look at the inside of the grain body. Take a look for you yourself. When he gets that latch opened up, you'll be able to see the construction we have inside, and again, it's second to none. Take a look. Nice, smooth 3/16 steel plate floor. Look at the ladder coming in on the front there. I'll show you the outside access later, and look at these removable tarp bows. Removable back beam assembly. Everything can be taken out. You can put in spray tanks, pallets, whatever you want, folks. Just take a look for yourself. We have the tri-fold end gate system. All three doors open and all three grain chute doors open. And the center one is controlled absolutely wirelessly. Dave's going to go ahead and roll the tarp down. While he's doing that, I'm going to give you a nice look at our rear bumper system. Take a look down here. Nice heavy-duty hinge system. This stuff is all brand spanking new. LED lights. I'm telling you, it is a very, very nice piece. With that, let's come on down on the driver's side of the body. You can see the tarp is now locked closed. It has the aluminum paint guards to prevent paint chipping when the tarp comes over and closes. Take a look for yourself. You can see we have matching tires, matching wheel ends, and again, that heavy-duty Hendrickson suspension, folks. Take a look at the chrome covers. Nice heavy-duty L-wrapped double frame system. Nice upright exhaust. Just take a look, folks. Nice block heater. You can see with the hood down, it's a very, very sharp piece. Let's look from the front toward the back. You'll be proud if you buy this truck to show it off to your friends and neighbors. Now, what we're going to do next is that Dave is going to go ahead and fire the truck up, and we're going to demonstrate the remote-controlled hoist and end gate system for you. And then, in the end, we're going to treat you with a nice virtual road tour of this truck. Okay, PTO is engaged. Dave has the wireless remote in his hands.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a fully automatic truck. I just hit the switch, engage the PTO. I'm going to press on the remote and then go ahead and raise up the hoist. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button and watch that hoist go up like that. This is really a nice feature to be able to stand wherever you want, raise it up and lower. A lot of people put the controls on the back. You can stand wherever you want and make it happen.
Okay, folks, now that it's up, I'm going to give you a quick look on the bottom side before we lower it back down. Take a look for yourself. Nice air ride cab in flawless condition. There's your oil reservoir and your controls. And how about this heavy 28,000-pound, 28-ton rather, hoist? Twin cylinder Omaha scissor hoist. 28-ton. Take a look at the nice big long sealed I-beams. Look at these cross members, folks. These are made out of actual 3/16 structural steel C-channel. There is no lip on them to hold water. They will clean off anytime you wash it. They're not going to sit there and rust out. Just look at the bottom. Now Dave's going to lower the bed down and then we'll show you the end gate operation next. And folks, you can do this demonstration anywhere. I'm telling you, I can take this remote 300-400 feet away and operate this bed. So if you're topping off your grain bed, folks, and you're up on top of a big old grain leg and you're topping off a bin, you can monitor and meter this sucker from that far away. Now think of the benefits of that. Or you can pull into the grain terminal. Imagine the look on their face when you pull in there and you don't even have to get out of the truck and all of a sudden you start raising it up and dump it out the back. Look at that back door open from that wireless remote. Just check that out. Nice, smooth as silk operation. All the way up and then back down. Now there she comes all the way up and she's coming back down. Flawless, smooth operation. I'm telling you folks, it is a buy of a lifetime.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is really a nice unit. Now, if you ever worry about what a lot of people when they buy these, they think about, is it going to break down? Now, everything that happens here, you can undo with this remote. You can walk right up here, pull this pin, and you're good to go. Now, and the same way with that. Same way with raising the body. If this remote would fail, if your battery goes out, you zip right underneath and make it happen. Let's go for that. Let's walk around here and get ready to go on the test drive.
I'm going to give you a quick look on the inside of the cab from the driver's side, and then we're going to take her down the road for a spin. Folks, take a look at this flawless interior. Immaculate. Just check it out. Coming up in here, you can see we have very nice seat covers, passenger and driver bucket seats, very nice brand new looking interior all the way around, folks. Look at that push button shift transmission. Take a look for yourself. Where are you going to find this with 70,000 miles? All right, I'm going to head to the passenger side and we're going to take this sucker for a drive. Okay, folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. And next, we're going to show you the entrance of the cab on the passenger side, and we're going to head down the road with this truck.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I was talking about earlier, I'm talking about that switch that you engage the PTO. A lot of them used to reach down and grab them up and pull them up with the clutch in. Here is a simple switch. There it's out, there it's in. Simple as that.
Hot shift PTO, folks, the latest and the greatest.
Now, we're going to go ahead and push in the air brakes. I'm going to hold on the brake and put it in drive, and away we go.
Now, as you can see, folks, we're in our barnyard parking lot here, and I can talk at a very low voice, and you can hear me well. This cab is so insulated, you hear no exterior noise. Very, very nice, solid truck. Folks, it still smells brand new inside this cab. Now, as Dave stated, all you have to do is drive this truck is hop in the cab, release the parking brake, and push the pedal to the floor. I'm telling you, your 80-year-old grandma can drive this truck. assuming she can still see good, anyone can drive it. I'm telling you, it's that easy. It's fingertip controlled, and with the hoist operation being remote, anybody can dump it. There's no longer a worry about, can I get the back door open? What am I going to do when I get there? It's all pre-planned for you folks. Just take a look. We're heading down the road. We got the hammer down. I'm going to get over here close and let you look at the gauge.
Ladies and gentlemen, check out that oil pressure. I want to get right up there so you can see that. That is sitting right there almost at 70 pounds of pressure as we zip down the highway. Check out those gauges, 35 miles an hour, and here we go. This thing has tons of power. Check out those miles on there, 70,301. And ladies and gentlemen, as we zip down the highway on our country road here, you can see that this is a bumpy road. As you can see, we're in the country here. As I zip around here and take a look, and this thing really rides nice for a grain truck. So as we zip down the road here and make this happen, we want to show you what the strong ability of the truck is to get your grain hauled for you.
Folks, as you can see, this truck has all the features that you need to get the job done. With that, I'm going to go ahead and wind the truck out a little more. We're going to let you see her run up there at higher speed so that you know that it has no problem doing it. And it's very quiet in the process. You just simply put the hammer down and away you go. You can see here it automatically shifts up to 5, and we're just cruising right along here, coming up on 45 miles per hour at only 2,000 RPMs. I'm telling you, it is one nice smooth running machine. Here we go. She shifted into overdrive now. We're sitting here under 2,000 at 52 miles per hour, and there's a lot left. We're on a back road with a 45-mile-an-hour speed limit, so we're not going to do anything real crazy here, but you get the gist, folks. We have a nice, absolutely a very nice running truck here, and I welcome you to give us a call here at Integrity Sales and Service at 260-238-5000, or feel free to visit us on our website at www.99trucks.com. That's the 2 number 9s and the word trucks.com. And as you can see here, folks, we're cruising at 2,000 RPMs at 55 miles per hour.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we talked before, we have plenty of road speed here. I've got the throttle down. I've got a lot more. I can put the hammer down here and really roll. And as we said, we're driving down. It's 45 miles an hour. We're going to go and wrap up the video. Give us a call. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks so much.